Hello everyone. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about a very special class which I'm taking on the legal aptitude section for LawSet 2021. See, this is a legal aptitude 60 question, 60 multiple choice question solving for LawSet 2021. If you remember correctly, in LawSet, there are 60 questions from legal aptitude, which constitutes 50% of the paper. So not only in LawSet, but also for SLAT and AILET, some questions are asked from static legal knowledge. So in this particular special class, I'll be discussing 60 most important questions from the legal aptitude section. And this session will be useful for TS LawSet, AP LawSet, SLAT and AILET aspirants. And this class will go live on 24th June 2021 at 10 a.m. This is a completely live class and you can join the class and ask your doubts in the class itself. And the venue of this particular course, so this will take place on Unacademy app. If you don't have the app, download the app. And to unlock this particular special class, you can use the code Trinath10 THRINATH10. So this session is absolutely for free. It is completely free of cost. You just have to enter my code Trinath10 so that you can avail this free class. And the link to this particular class is dropped down in the first comment and also in the description. So when you click on the link which is given in the first comment, so you will be redirected to this page where you will be getting the notify me option. Just click on notify me so that you will get a notification when I'm starting the class on 24th June at 10 a.m. And the features of Unacademy CLAT are that you can access live and recorded classes anytime and anywhere, and you have the opportunity to learn from best educators and NLU alumni. And you also have access to national level mock test and sectional test, and also unlimited quizzes. You can also launch a quiz. And we have very important weekly events like Know Your Exam, Topper Strategies, and NLU experiences by faculty members. So another important batch which is already live on 21st of June is that Level Up GK Current Affairs batch for CLAT 2021, which is an exclusive 30 days GK batch for CLAT 2021 aspirants. Batch has already started on 21st of June and the language of this particular course is Hindi and English. Our educators are Nidhi Dhruv and Raghavendra Pratap Singh. Another important batch is Unlock CLAT 2021 30-day revision batch, which is going live on 23rd of June 2021. And this is a revision batch for CLAT 2021 and the language is Hindi and English. And our educators are Kushal Singh, Shubham Verma, Anshul Wadhwa, Kriti Singh and Keshav Malpani. And CLAT Essentials is an important batch which covers most important topics for CLAT 2021. This is an exclusive crash course covering most important topics for CLAT 2021. Batches going live on 25th of June and the language of this particular course is Hindi and English. And our educators are Kushal Singh, Shubham Verma, Kriti Singh, Richa Pandey and Keshav Malpani. And on popular demand, we have extended our subscription offers. Offers are valid till 23rd of June 2021. If you buy 3-month subscription, you will get 1 month subscription for free. And if you purchase 12-month subscription, you will get 2-month subscription for free. And similarly, if you purchase a 24-month subscription, you will be getting 3-month subscription for free. And if you want to take any of the plus subscriptions, any of subscriptions on Unacademy app, you can use the code Trinath10 THRINATH10 for additional 10% discount. And you can also use this code to unlock some free quizzes or free special classes if you are joining for the first time. And tests of the week, champion mock test. This is a very important mock test for CLAT aspirants, a full length mock test which will be available for free every Sunday at 10 a.m. To unlock this particular champion mock test, you can use the code Trinath10 and this mock test is absolutely for free. And even for sectional tests will be held every day at 6 p.m. 30 minutes, 30 marks and 30 questions. Monday English, Tuesday Quant, Wednesday Logic, Thursday Legal and Friday Current Affairs and GK. So if you want to unlock this sectional test, you can use the code Trinath10. And some other weekly events are that CLAT Topper interviews on Unacademy YouTube channel every Saturday. So stay tuned for this every Saturday. And subscribe to the YouTube channel of Unacademy CLAT and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Comment on our videos and let us know what do you feel. And do show some love by liking and sharing our videos. And if you want to subscribe to any of the Unacademy Plus courses, you can use my code Trinath10. And to unlock free courses also, you can use this code and you can unlock the courses for free. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching and see you all on the Unacademy app on Thursday, that is 24th June at 10 a.m. for the legal aptitude question solving. Bye bye.